In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix desaturated colors in After Effects. If you've ever finished a project, hit play, and noticed that your colors look flat, washed out, or just less vibrant than you expected, this guide is for you. Often, the issue isn't your footage or your grading, it's your project's color settings. So in this video, I'll walk you through a quick but powerful adjustment that can bring your colors back to life. First, start by opening your project inside After Effects. Make sure the composition you're working on is loaded and visible in the timeline and preview panels. It doesn't matter if it's a simple graphic animation or a complex edit with multiple layers, the process will be the same. Next, we're going to check your project color settings. Go to the top menu bar and click on File. In the drop-down menu, look for Project Settings and select it. A dialog box will appear, and this is where you control how After Effects interprets and displays color in your entire project. In the Project Settings window, switch to the Color tab. This is the key section that affects how your final video looks. Here, you'll see an option called Working Color Space. This setting tells After Effects what color standard it should use behind the scenes. If you're working on standard video, like content for YouTube, broadcast, or most online platforms, set your working color space to Rec. 709 Gamma 2.4. This is the modern standard for video and will usually give you richer, more accurate colors, especially in the shadows and midtones. If your project is mainly for web graphics, UI animations, or design elements that match what you see in design apps and on most computer screens, choose sRGB as your working color space. sRGB is commonly used for web and digital graphics and helps keep your colors consistent with what you see in image editing software and browsers. While you're still in this dialog box, look for the bit depth setting. Change it to 16-bit or 32-bit. A higher bit depth gives After Effects more color information to work with, which reduces banding and preserves subtle gradients. It can slightly increase processing demands, but the visual improvement is usually worth it, especially for color-sensitive work. Once you've chosen the appropriate working color space and set your bit depth, click OK to apply the changes. After Effects will refresh, and you should immediately notice your colors looking more saturated, consistent, and true to your original footage or design, and that's it. By adjusting just these project color settings, you can quickly fix desaturated colors and ensure your After Effects work looks the way you intended.